This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious bubble eggs using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients: 2 large eggs, a non-stick pan, and a spatula. Begin by placing your non-stick pan on the stove and heating it over medium-low heat for approximately 2 minutes. This ensures an even cooking surface. Next, add about 1 teaspoon of oil or butter to the pan, making sure it coats the entire bottom evenly. This simple preparation sets the stage for perfectly cooked eggs. Now, carefully crack your 2 large eggs directly into the warmed pan, ensuring they are spaced apart. The key to bubble eggs is the steam, so next, pour about 2 tablespoons of water around the eggs, being careful not to pour it directly onto the yolks. Immediately cover the pan with a lid. This traps the steam, which will cook the tops of the eggs and create that wonderful bubbly texture on the whites. This step is crucial for achieving the desired result. Continue to cook the eggs for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. You'll know they are ready when the egg whites are completely set and opaque, but the yolks still appear beautifully runny. This contrast is what makes bubble eggs so appealing. Keep a close eye on them, as cooking times can vary slightly depending on your stove. Once cooked to your liking, gently slide your spatula under each egg and carefully remove them from the pan. They should lift off easily. Finally, it's time to season and enjoy your perfectly cooked bubble eggs. Sprinkle them with a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper to taste. These versatile eggs are fantastic served immediately on a slice of crispy toast, alongside creamy avocado, or with any of your favorite breakfast sides. This easy method consistently delivers eggs with wonderfully crispy, bubbly edges and perfectly runny yolks, making for a delightful and satisfying meal every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.